Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make guacamole not turn brown. The key to keeping your guacamole vibrant green is understanding oxidation. When avocado flesh is exposed to air, it reacts with oxygen and turns brown, which nobody wants. We can combat this by using specific ingredients and smart storage techniques. Let's dive into the simple steps to preserve that perfect green color and enjoy fresh guacamole longer. Beyond the right avocados, acid is your best friend. A good squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice not only adds flavor, but also acts as a natural preservative. Don't be shy with it. After mixing, the most crucial step is to create an airtight barrier. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface, ensuring no air pockets remain. This simple action makes a huge difference. For longer storage, an airtight container is essential. You can also try a clever trick. Pour a thin layer of cold water or olive oil directly over the guacamole before sealing. This creates an extra barrier against oxygen. When you're ready to serve, just pour off the liquid and give it a gentle stir. Remember to always refrigerate your guacamole promptly. When it's time to enjoy your guacamole again, simply remove the top layer of liquid if you use that method, and give it a good stir. If it looks a little dull, a fresh squeeze of lime juice can instantly brighten it up and enhance the flavor. For more great kitchen hacks and product recommendations, including how to stay hydrated with an Owala water bottle, check out the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.